Hi, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I am bringing you a cute little miniature Christmas scene or winter scene. Really simple and easy to make. What you need for this craft is a little jar. Now this is from the Dollar Tree. It is not a salt and pepper shaker, although you could use that. It's just a little jar, and I have two here. So I'm going to make two little miniature scenes. You need something miniature to go inside your jar in here, and you probably want to take this off. And then some glitter. I have jumbo glitter that I used in another craft, or you could use the little snowflakes, or you could use fine glitter, whatever you would like. So let's get started. Okay, you will need adhesive, so you can use your glue gun, or you can use this E6000, which would be more permanent. This also will not burn your fingers, so whichever way you want to go, but it will take longer to dry. Another thing that you need are some miniatures for your scene. I did pick up these. I probably had some in my stash somewhere, but these were at the Dollar General store, and I thought they were really cute, and they would be fun to put it in here. So you can see there's trees and a little deer and snowman. And that's going to be really cute. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to make sure your glass is clean. You want to make sure that you've removed any of the stickers or price tags that are on here. And then you want to decide what you want in your scene. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a deer, a tree, and a snowman in each one. So I pulled that out, and I'm setting that one aside. Now another thing that you may want to use are some long tweezers. These are just from the Dollar Tree. You may have some in your craft stash or with some of your, like your Cricut or Gemini or whatever you might have in your home. But you also may have regular tweezers, and that might work as well. Now, I thought about using my glue gun, but I think that maybe the E6000 will give me a little more leeway if I don't have it exactly where I want it, and I need to make sure it moves a little bit. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so sometimes E6000 does come out, so you want to be aware of that. And you just put a little on the bottom of whatever you're going to put in your miniature scene. And then take your little tweezers and put it down in there where you want it. And then you can work with it a little bit. And then push it down so that it sets. I like that there, that's cute. Okay. So then you're going to want to do that to your other two pieces, or however many pieces you put in there, and then we'll add the glitter. Okay, so now I have my little deer and my snowman and my tree in here, which is adorable. So now I'm just going to put some glitter in here. And you just have to decide how much you want in your scene. If you want snowflakes, I'll show you what the snowflakes look like as well. And this is with the glitter. My little snowman has so much snow in there, it's so cute. Okay, now this one is with the buffalo snow, the fake snow. And then of course you have the one with the glitter. So you can decide what you like. And then I just added a little bow to the top so that if I want to gift it, then I can do that, and it will look like a really cute little thing. So this is a really easy craft, really inexpensive, and I hope you enjoyed it and you're inspired to create something on your own. I don't know if this is something that you would like to do, but I think it's a really neat thing, and it would be great to add to a gift basket or to your decor on your, in your house or your dining room table, or even in a gift basket as a little extra something. So I hope you enjoyed this, and you will subscribe, share, comment. I'd love to read your comments. And then also, Let me know if you think that you might create something like this, or if you already have, I'd love to know what you put in your scene. So thank you for watching.